This is the Jeremy Salis Breakfast Show with me, Joseph Hall, all week. We're with you till 9. Then, of course, it's Andy Harper on BBC Radio Cambridgeshire. Andy and the team continue their fight for goodness and decency in an often mad world. On the show recently, if you've missed it, they've been talking spiders, high heels, as well as conkers. What will come up next? There's only one way to find out. You're going to have to wait for just over an hour. That's every weekday morning from 9 o'clock. The Andy Harper Show here on BBC Radio Cambridgeshire. It's fast approaching 7:50, and let's face it, parking in Cambridge, Huntingdon, Peterborough, any city generally, is a complete nightmare. Once you've found a place, you're probably going to be paying through the nose just to stay there for an hour, if you can afford that. So it's a problem that most cities, most towns face, and that's why two IT workers were fed up enough to join forces and do something about it. They've launched a website to help people find free car parking spaces near important places such as train stations, shopping centres, that kind of thing. Suman Banerjee and Saikat Basak are from freeparkingspace.co.uk. Good morning, Suman.
Yeah, hello, Joe. Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you.
I should imagine you're wealthier than I am if you've managed to come up with a successful website. Good morning, Saikat, as well.
Morning.
So the two of you are friends, are you?
Yes.
Okay, you can say good morning to each other if you like. I should just say for listeners on the other end who wonder what I'm doing, they're on two different phone lines. Whose idea was this?
Basically, we came up both. We love to travel, and whenever we visit a new places, we always find it difficulty finding a cheap or free parking space within a short walking distance. And we also checked that there are some other parking sites, but they don't offer free parking information. They only offer paid parking information. And then we discussed this idea, and then we just developed this site. Why not just do it ourselves?
Yeah, it was just a good idea. And let's just make the point very clear straight away. You're not actually offering free car parking spaces. You're offering advice on where to potentially find free spaces.
Exactly.
There's no such thing as a free lunch, Suman. There's no such thing as a free lunch, Saikat. I don't believe this can work. Tell me how it does.
As we said, that our aim is to provide free street-side car parking information to all motorists. So just type the name of the attraction or town and search, and the site will provide free parking information wherever possible.
How up to date is it yet? Because it's the early days, isn't it?
Yes, that's correct. Also, we'd like to tell that in big cities like London, Manchester, it's very difficult to get full-day free parking information. And also, we recognize that if you are traveling with small children or elderly disabled people, then it would be convenient to park near the place rather walking. So we do provide street-side parking information of which are pay and display for convenience to the people.
How do you get this information? Do you physically come to Cambridge, for example, and have a walk around?
We used all means of information, so we searched the council website, Google Maps, we talked to our friends, we personally visited many places, and then we have collected the information.
And are you doing this just because you're good guys or because you're making some money out of it somehow?
No, so far we are not making any revenue, but we are just doing it for ourselves, and then thought that, okay, when we are collecting the data, why not just make it public so that everyone can use it? But what we think is that if this site becomes popular, then in future we might earn some revenue through advertisements.
Yeah, I think you'll fully deserve it as well, because at the moment you're modern-day Good Samaritans. I'm going to give you a bit of a challenge here, because I went on your website last night, freeparkingspace.co.uk, and I typed in, what was it first? Railway station in Cambridge. Then I looked at King's College in Cambridge. I looked at Parkside Swimming Pool and Drummer Street Bus Station in Cambridge, but none of them came up with any parking spaces. I would have thought they were the key kind of areas people would look.
Actually, what the situation is currently, we have not yet managed to cover the entire part of UK. We have covered most of the big towns like London, Birmingham, Manchester, Reading, Brighton, and Oxford, Cambridge we have also covered, but not all the places are covered yet.
You should have started with Cambridge, guys. When are we going to get it here in Cambridge and in Huntingdon and St Ives? That's what we want to know.
And also, I would like to make a request here that as our scope is entire UK, we're sincerely looking for a collaborative Wikipedia-style approach. And there is an option in our website where anyone can provide free parking information. So we are looking to develop this website through help of everyone in the country.
All right, well, it's a lovely idea. I'm going to keep trying this website on a daily basis and, hopefully stop paying for my parking. But, guys, well done. Great idea. I hope it works out for you.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you for talking to us. OK, that's Suman Banerjee there and Saikat Basak. They have set up this website, freeparkingspace.co.uk. If you want to go on there and have a look at it and see if you can find somewhere close to, say, King's Cross in London or one of the larger cities, get back to us, 08459 25 2000. I'd be fascinated to know just how up to date it is. Get in touch with us. Let us know whether it's working or not.
On BBC Radio Cambridgeshire.
This is Joseph Hall.